and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can play games in Crunchyroll. Well, it's a pretty straightforward process. All you have to do is just launch your favorite browser and in the new tab, just enter crunchyroll.com and press enter like so. So in the home page, if you browse through the top section on the left hand side, there is games section. So if you go ahead and select it, in a new page or tons of games will be displayed for us to choose from. Alright, let's say I want to play Street Fighter Duel. This is available in Apple and Play Store alone, so not in Windows. If it were available in Windows, it will show this icon. Now let's select this one, which has a Windows version too. Select it. Now here we are gonna need to select download on PC. So a file will start downloading and done. So if we go to full download history, okay, it is done now. If we open this folder and go ahead with installing process and click on run and go about installing this game, in no time you will be playing this fantastic game offered by Crunchyroll. Now you know how to play games in Crunchyroll. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding playing games in Crunchyroll, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.